one day they'll become a stranger. The person who once said, "I'll never leave you," will stop replying. They'll laugh with someone else, live without you, sleep peacefully while you're lying awake, replaying memories that no longer exist. And here's the hardest truth. The breakup didn't destroy your life. Your attachment did. The Stoics understood something most people never will. They knew that pain isn't caused by losing someone. It's caused by refusing to let go. Today you'll learn how to survive heartbreak, not by forgetting them, but by becoming someone who no longer needs them. Most people think a breakup hurts because they lost someone they loved. That's only half the truth. What really hurts is realizing you built your entire identity around another person. You stopped chasing your goals. You stopped enjoying your own company. You made one person the center of your universe, and when they left, your universe collapsed. Marcus Aurelius once reminded himself that everything outside his character could disappear at any moment. Not because life is cruel, but because nothing outside you truly belongs to you. People leave, feelings change, promises break. That's life. The mistake isn't loving someone. The mistake is believing your happiness depends on them staying. After every breakup, people become detectives. They reread old messages, check social media, analyze every conversation. They keep asking, why did this happen? Do they still miss me? Will they come back? But here's the Stoic lesson. Closure doesn't come from answers. It comes from acceptance. Sometimes you'll never know why they changed. Sometimes there isn't a satisfying explanation, and that's okay, because peace begins the moment you stop demanding that life explain itself. Not every question deserves an answer. Some simply deserve silence. Heartbreak gives you two choices. You can become bitter or you can become better. Most people waste months stalking someone who already moved on. A Stoic would do something different. He would use suffering as fuel. Go to the gym, read books, learn new skills, fix your finances, wake up earlier. Build a life so meaningful that one person's absence no longer defines your happiness. Remember, your ex is not your future. Your habits are. Every workout, every book, every uncomfortable morning is another brick rebuilding the person you were always meant to become. Many people secretly hope their ex regrets leaving. They imagine becoming successful just to make someone jealous, but that's still emotional dependence. You're still living for them. Stoicism teaches something far more powerful. True freedom is when you genuinely don't care anymore. Not because you hate them, not because you've forgotten them, but because your peace is no longer connected to their choices. That's real strength. Imagine seeing their name appear on your phone and feeling absolutely nothing. No anger, no hope, no sadness, just peace. That's victory. One day, you'll realize something incredible. The breakup you thought ruined your life actually gave you your life back. It forced you to become independent, to become stronger, to discover who you are without someone else completing you. The Stoics believed every obstacle carries a hidden gift. Heartbreak is no different. Maybe this wasn't punishment. Maybe it was preparation. Because the version of you that exists after healing is someone the old you could never imagine becoming. So stop asking, why did they leave? Start asking, who can I become because they did? Because sometimes the greatest love story you'll ever experience is the one where you finally learn to love yourself.